Hello students, in this video discuss about components of DBMS. DBMS to help them effectively manage their data and derive the relevant information out of it. A DBMS is a technology tool that directly supports data management. It is a package designed to define, manipulate, and manage the data in a database. DBMS have several components, each performing very significant task in the database management system environment. A DBMS is evaluated based on the following components: database engine, data dictionary, query processor, report writer, forms generator, application generator, communication and integration, security and other utilities. In this diagram represent most important of DBMS. Data definition. Data definition is creating and changing the logical structure of database. Data manipulation. Data manipulation is querying and making changes to the information. Application generation. Application generation is menus, data entry screens, reports and application software. Data administration. Data administration contains two important functions. First one is who can use and see what information methods for backup and recovery. Second one is queries to see the effect of the structural changes. Data definition, data manipulation, application generation, data administrations all are communicate through database engine and storing and retrieving data from data dictionary. The first component is database engine. The database engine is the heart of the DBMS. The engine is responsible for defining, storing and retrieving the data. The security subsystem of the engine identify users and control to access the data. It affects the performance and ability to handle large problems. It is a standalone component that can be purchased and used as a independent software module. The best example is Microsoft Jet Engine. The next component is data dictionary. The data dictionary holds the definition of all the tables. A data dictionary is a reserved space within a database which is used to store information about the database itself. A data dictionary may contain information such as database design information, stored SQL functions, user permissions, user statistics, database process information, database growth statistics, and database performance statistics. Example, the Microsoft Access keep the list of all the tables in a hidden system table is called MSys object. Oracle includes several system tables that provide information from the data dictionary. sys.dba underscore tables hold the data about the tables in the database. The next component is query processor. The query processor is a fundamental component of DBMS. It enables developers and users to store and retrieve the data. All the database operations can be run through the query language. The DBMS refers the data dictionary to create a query. When the query is run, the query processor communicates with the database engine to retrieve the requested data. Another component is report writer. Report is a summary of data. A report generator, a program which usually part of a database management system, which extract information from one or more files and presents the information in a specified format. A modern report writer enables to set up the report on the screen to specify how items will be displayed or calculated. A report writer can be integrated into the DBMS, or it can be standalone application that the developers use to generate code to create the needed report. The next component is form generator. A form generator or input screen helps to the developer to create input forms. The goal is to create a forms that represent common user tasks, making it easy for user to enter data. The forms can include graphs and images. Form generator enables developers to build forms by dragging and dropping items on the screen. The next component is application generator. An application is a collection of forms and reports designed for the specified user task. It is the final package during the development of application. A good DBMS contain application generator, which consists of tools that assist developer in creating a complete application package. The another component is communication and integration. Database system provide special communication and integration utilities designed to store and use data in several databases running on the different machines, even if they are in different locations. For example, the third generation language connector provides utilities to connect traditional language within the database engine. The third generation languages is Visual Basic, COBOL, C++, and etc. The last component is security and other utilities. A primary goal of database is to share the data with multiple users. DBMS is responsible for establishing and maintaining security access controls. Various administrative utilities are provided by the DBMS. Some of them include backup and recovery, user management, data storage evaluation, and performance monitoring tools. Thank you, students.